To insert a downspout, or what is more commonly called a drain pipe, simply select the object type from the Architectural Objects menu. A first click links our object to the mouse cursor, and with the F5 and F6 function keys we can easily move the insert point around the object, and with the F7 and F8 function keys we can rotate it around its axis. To place the drain pipe into place, we can, as always, use the intersection snap points supplied by other surrounding objects. Once we have identified the correct position, an additional click fixes it into place. As you can see, the cursor is now attached to a grip extension point with which we can define the desired alignment. If necessary, with F5, we can move this point around and set other alignments. The drain pipe object is defined through the 3D magnetic grid and therefore has the same functionalities. Using the triangular grips here, we can define the distance from the edge. The distance from the building envelope entity, the overall height of the drain pipe, and the height of the bent section and the overhang. If we need to set a certain angle for our drain pipe, we can select the horizontal section and with the circular grip rotate it freely or define the angle by typing in the value from the keyboard. These very same operations can also be accomplished directly from the floor plan view.